In this numerical, it has appeared in NEET 2002. Masses of three wires of same material. See, it is the same material. Same material. Same material means density D, comma, resistivity rho, density, resistivity both are same for the three wires. Same for the three wires. First, the masses are in the ratio. Masses in the ratio. Masses of three wires are in the ratio 1:2:3. That is M1 is equal to M, M2 is equal to 2M, and M3 is equal to 3M. And the ratio of length ratio of the length is equal to 3:2:1. 2:1. It means L1 is equal to 3 times of length, L2 is equal to 2 times of length, and L3 is equal to 1 times of length. So this is given. The resistance are in the ratio. So the resistor and the ratio, we have to find out the answer. What about the resistance? We have to find out R1 into R2 is to R3 is equal to what? We have to find out the ratios. First of all, we say resistance is equal to density into length by area. Density, so see, resistivity into length by area. And what about the area? Since density D is equal to density, so D is equal to mass by volume or mass by area into length. Now we are find out area. Area is equal to mass into density by length. It means area or A1 is equal to M1 dL1. So A1 we can write M1, density is same, and M1 into length into D, or we can write density is same and L1, and so on. So area we have found out. What about the resistivity? Now we have to find out the relation between the resistivity. So resistivity is equal to rho into L by E is equal to density, resistivity into L, length divided by area. A is equal to M1 into M divided by into DL. It will go on the top. Is equal to rho into density, where D stands for density. This stands for density. M rho into D into L square by M. Or resistance is equal to, this is constant for all the material, or we can say, because density and resistivity all are same wire, it means density and resistivity are same for the three wires. So it means constant for all the three wires, or we can write R is proportional to L square by M. L square by M. So now R1 is to, now we can find out R1 is to R2 is to R3. R1 is to R3 is equal to R1. What is R1? R1 is equal to L square by M square, because it is proportional. We can remove the constant, that is L1 square by M1 is to R2 is equal to L2 square by M2 is to L3 square from this relation, M3 by M3. What is L1? L1 is equal to 3L and M1 is equal to M is to L2 is equal to TL whole square into 2L whole square divided by M2 is equal to 2M is to L3 is equal to L its whole square by M3 is equal to 3M. Therefore this we can cancel out. See, R1 is to R2, therefore R1 is to R2 is to R3. R1 is to R3 is equal to see, this 3L square is 9 L square by M is to 4L square by 2M is to L square by 3M. Common we can cancel out, because here L square is common, we have taken out. So here M and M is therefore R1 is to R2 is to R3. R1 is to R3 is equal to 9 is to 4 by 2, that is 2. 4 by 2 is to divided by is to 1 by 3. If you multiply denominator by 3, 9 into 3, 27 is to 2 into 6 is to 1. Multiply 3, multiply by 3, now multiply by 3. So 27 is to 6 is to 2, 1. So this is answer. This answer matches. Answer 4. 4 is the right answer. 27 is to 6 is to 1.